So how do we change your back camera lens or glass, whatever you call, on Samsung Note 9? We need a glue, tweezer and a new glass obviously, and a heat gun. So to begin with, we will heat it a bit, the part, and then remove it with tweezer. Make sure you don't damage camera inside. Just carefully remove it. Now we will clean it to remove any remaining glass or any dust or anything. Grab some glue, install some glue. Make sure you don't put into your camera. Carefully install some glue. Some glass come with their self-adhesive tape, so in that case you might just skip that glue. Now place new glass carefully. Now we will place some tape on it and let it dry for 10 minutes. So once it's dry, remove tape carefully and clean it. You can use some normal water, not excessive, just a tiny bit.